we'll be learning about mathematics, and our topic will be whole number. My name is Mariam Abubakar. I'll be dealing with whole numbers. Whole numbers are the numbers used to count things and they don't have fractions or decimal points. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we'll be looking at addition of whole numbers. Addition is about adding numbers to get a total number of things. Are you ready? Now let's count. This is an example of addition. 3 plus 2 to get a total number of things. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2. This is 3 strokes and this is 2 strokes. So we are counting the strokes to get a total number of strokes. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2. Count together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total we have 5 strokes. So we have another example. We have 6 plus 4. So we'll be adding these total numbers to get a whole number of these numbers. So count with me as we get it. These are 6 strokes and we have 4 other strokes. Count the strokes with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many strokes do we have in total? 10. So we'll write 10 here and then we'll make 10 strokes at the end of this. Do you understand? So we have another example here. 2 plus 2. So we are going to be adding 2 strokes plus 2 strokes to get a total number of strokes. Let's count. 1, 2 plus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our total number of strokes is 4. So put 4 strokes here and write the number 4 here. And always remember that number 4 is a whole number. So at the beginning of our lesson, we talked about whole numbers, each subtraction, division, multiplication, and addition. Now we'll be looking at subtraction. And subtraction simply means taking away numbers from a total number you have. So we'll be using boxes to illustrate this. So for example, I have 4 boxes and I minus 2 boxes out of it. Let's count. For example, you have 4 boxes and then you give your friend 2 boxes. This is your 4 boxes. And then you minus 2 boxes, which is the boxes you gave to your friend. So you remove these 2 from these 4 boxes. Now you remove it. How many do you have left? 2, right? So you give your friend 2 boxes and then you have 2 boxes left. Do you understand? Let's take another example. So your mom has 6 boxes and then she gave you 3 boxes to go to school with. So let's count how many your mom has left at home. So you have 6 boxes and she gave you 3 boxes to go to school with. How many do you have left? You have to minus these 3 boxes out of the 6 boxes your mom have at home, and then your mom is left with 3 boxes, right? 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 3 boxes. Make sure to remember that you are dealing with whole numbers, so you have to write 3 boxes left. Do you understand? So always remember that I'll give you an assignment after this test. So pay attention to the work. Your brother has 10 boxes and then took 5 boxes to work. How many boxes is there left in the room? He has 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then he took 5 boxes to work, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many boxes is there left in this room? Remember, you are taking these boxes out of these boxes. So you minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You count the remaining boxes left in its room, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 boxes is left in its room, and always remember that you are dealing with whole numbers, so you put the 5 remaining. So we are moving on to multiplication of whole numbers. So we are going to be looking at multiplication. What did I say multiplication is? Multiplication is addition that works faster. It is like adding a number over and over again. Let's look at an example. If I say 2 times 3, I mean 2 in 3 places, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Do you understand? 2 in 3 places, which will give me 6. If you add 2 strokes plus 2 strokes plus 2 strokes, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of doing this, you are going to do this. That is multiplication. The difference between multiplication is the signs. You use times instead of plus. Do you understand? Take another example for more understanding. Let's use 4 times 3. What I said here is going to be applied here. That is 4 in 3 places. Instead of doing 4 plus 4 plus 4, you do 4 times 3. And when we say 4 plus 4 plus 4, it gives you 12. So this is how you do it. You do 4 strokes plus 4 strokes plus 4 strokes. And if you count these strokes, you will arrive at 12. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember I said the difference between multiplication and addition is the times and the plus. So your answer to 4 times 3 is 12. Take the last example. Always remember I'm going to give you an assessment after this. So pay close attention. Our next example for multiplication is 5 in 2 places. 5 times 2. So you are going to count 5 in 2 places. Instead of doing 5 times 2, you do 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5. Do you understand? 5 plus 5 will give you the same answer as 5 times 2. Let's use strokes to illustrate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you count these strokes, you arrive at 10 strokes. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the same answer you got for plus is the same answer you get for times. But the difference again for multiplication and addition is the times and plus. Instead of using plus, you use times to get it faster. Is adding a number over and over again, but it works faster. Hello. So this time around we'll be learning about division. Always remember that division is sharing a number into 2 equal parts or into parts, and everybody is getting the same number of whatever you share. For example, if you have 12 strokes and you divided it into 2, these 2 people are supposed to get the same number of strokes. Let's use an illustration. 12 divided into 2. You have 12 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you have 2 friends. And these 2 friends are supposed to divide these strokes into 2, and everybody is supposed to get it equally. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So are you seeing that here is the demarcation, and one friend is getting 6 strokes, the other friend is getting the other 6 strokes. So you are seeing that 12 divided into 2 is Always remember you are dealing with whole numbers. Our next example is 20 divided by 5. So if you have 20 strokes, the teacher has 20 strokes to give each student. The students that are going to receive it will receive equal strokes from the 20. So let's use strokes as an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, this teacher is supposed to divide these strokes into equal parts for the students in class. Let's know how many students are in that class to get equal strokes from the 20 strokes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next example is 20 divided by 5. So we want to know how many strokes 5 people would get from the 20 strokes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For one person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For two persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the third person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the fourth person. So are you seeing that 20 divided by 5 is giving you 1, 2, 3, 4. So each person is getting equal strokes. So 4 people are in the class. Remember I told you at the beginning of the class that I will be giving you a home assessment. So for your addition assessment, you are going to be giving me the answer at the next class, 10 plus 5. So you are going to add these 10 strokes to the 5 strokes and provide me an answer. For the subtraction assignment, you are going to be giving me the number of boxes remaining out of these 6 boxes where your mom takes 2 to work. The number of boxes remaining as a bedroom. Provide it for me here. And then we'll have your multiplication assessment. You multiply faster. How many times will 2 come out when you multiply it 6 times? So we have your division assignment, which is 6 divided by 2. If you divide these 6 boxes to 2 of your friends, how many will be left for each of them? So this is your assessment, the end of the class. See you next time.